got Supreme fall tees. Gotta be my favorite. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And don't we love the fall? Out of all the out of all the Supreme tees, summer is my favorite. But fall comes in a hard second place, man. Fall, we get some iconic joints. Just think about it. I don't want to go through it. Just think about when the fall come and the kind of shirts we get. So last week, the drop for Supreme was the fall tees. And I didn't get all of them, but I got some of them. The good ones, you know what I mean? But before that happened, Supreme did something I thought I would never see. As you look on the sticker, it's not a regular Supreme sticker, it's a Nike sticker. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm from Brooklyn. Never in my life did I think I would get to see the Notorious B.I.G. on a Supreme tee, let alone a Jordan tee. Very crazy to me, man. I'm very thankful for this tee, man. I went with the black. I should have went with both. I wish they did more designs, but I get it. You know, he's dead. He's not here anymore. This is probably the only picture they could find with him with an Air Jordan shirt on. But for Supreme to bring that to life, super dope. Material A1, you know it's not regular Supreme. It's Nike, it's Jordan. Material A1, guys. Right now I see prices for this shirt a little by retail of not under. You know, it's been a long time since BIGGIE died, so the new kids really don't know what he meant to this borough, meant to the world, the whole West Coast, East Coast beef, but this one was dope. Now let's get into the fall tees. I like this Snow White one, guys. I don't know what it is with Supreme and Snow White, but they keep doing it. If you know, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what's the thing behind it. But it reads Snow White tee. Right there. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. I got it in that dusty purple or that, whatever you call this purple, the light purple or the neutral purple because of Armand Ye. Armand Ye Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s came out back to back. I got them both. So I had to do the purple. And thank you, Supreme, because this made it an easy match. So there you go, man. Snow White sleeping right there. I can't remember that cartoon years ago. Very dope. No Supreme on the front, but on the back you get a big Supreme. I forget what you call this font, but one of my favorite fonts. It's not like, forget what you call it, man, but big Supreme on the back in black. The front just has Snow White there. I went true to size like I always do with Supreme shirts. I went with the medium. Great material too, guys. Not like the BIGGIE tee, but great material. And it's always been true to size for me. And that's summer tees, spring tees, and fall tees. But this is the Snow White in that dusty purple. I told you I like this tee, man. And I got a problem. When I like stuff, I go too crazy. Again, we got the Snow White tee, but in the black colorway. And why are they making it so hard to open? Let's just rip it. Of course, same material, just different color, same size. Here you get the same Snow White in there, but I guess the picture looks a little better because it's on a black tee. But the back says Supreme in white here. Not like the purple joint. You get the white here. Very dope, man. Good material, guys. Good material. Taking a little break from the fall tees. Y'all seen this tee everywhere. The Tyler Creator tee in red. I copped this along with the fall tees, but I already had it. That's how y'all know, man. I just love Supreme tees. I had the freaking tee already, man. So we're going to do a giveaway for this one. Stick around for the video. I'll show what we're going to do about it. And we might have 2 giveaways, guys. So make sure you subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff. The Lollipop tee. I copped them in the same color, just rushing. So one of them will go to one of you guys because I appreciate you guys watching. But let's open it up. It reads Lollipop tee. And I got this in the green to go with the Travis Scott Dusty Olive. What y'all calling those? I don't know. Neutral olive, green. The olive joint that just came out, the Jordan 1. Yes, sir. I mean, a little X-rated, maybe not. Who knows? To each his own. Boom. You get a photo of a girl, I'm guessing, with a Supreme lollipop. Supreme's crazy, man. But I like this one, man. And again, I got the green because of the Travis Scott's. The back has nothing, but the front says everything it needs to say. You get your Supreme logo in there, and whatever you want to do with the lollipop. Very dope. I just don't know if she has two tongues. Is a tongue split? Is that her lips? So just, somebody let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, man, the lollipop tee. Guys, look at this. This is all from the last 2 seasons, guys. All from the last 2 seasons. But staying fall tees. They had a tee that says Supreme for Life backwards like this. I liked it, but I just wanted different colorways. So they didn't really have a colorway I wanted, but this tee is dope. I think it's still available, guys. And this tee, I love the Joker. Shout out to the West Coast. It just wasn't for me. But I love the Joker's work, his tattoos, his art. This one wasn't for me. Not too sure what this one is about, but it might have to do with the lollipop tee. And I had one more. Here we go. And this tee dropped too. Is it the right way? Yeah. I liked it, but it's something we saw already, so I really wasn't running to it. But this one is dope, and this one is available. Besides the ones I told you about, they had one. I don't know if it was like a Subway or I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't like that one. But the Supreme one, the purple with the silver on it, I almost bit at that. I just didn't know if it was glittery. I don't like that glittery material. You get one-time use and it's done with. And the I don't know if it was Virgin Mary, but it has something to do with Christianity and stuff. I don't really like to go there too much. I do got a couple Jesus Peace chains, but that tee was dope. The colors pop, but I didn't go with that. My highlight is the lollipop tee. Let me know in the comment section below which one you caught, which one was your favorite. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.